Alright, what's going on, everybody? So I have another video today with Integra. I ended up doing some stuff to it yesterday. I didn't make a video because it was dark by the time I got home. Open the trunk really quick. I feel like all these videos are kind of the same, just pure updates on what's happening with the car without even using it. Oh, well, first off, like last week, I took it with my cousin, and we just he helped me to take off the dents. So this big dent that was right here, pretty much all of it's off except just for like this and this. This, we took it a little bit off, just a little bit right here. This, it's not the best, but it's way better than before, so it kind of doesn't look that bad anymore. And if you could tell right here, I took off the AC, all of the AC, and you can see two tires right here. These are my old tires, as you can see right there, from when I lost control. So what I did was I put tires. These tires were on my old Civic EJ1. I sold the Fat Fives to Daniel, if you guys probably know, and he took off the tires, the two tires that were good on that car, on those wheels, and he bought new tires. So I just told him if he could let me get these. These are Toyo Proxys summer tires. So now I have the two front tires good now. So pretty much what I did this week was just a lot of maintenance, a lot of caring for the car, just so it could be safe to drive again. So I put the front two tires on, and then the AC was just a little extra that I wanted to do, that I've been wanting to do. I fixed the dents and all that. Sorry about that. And right here in this front wheel, if you guys remember on the video of me checking what was happening with the car, was I had one lug nut that was already stripped, and then I couldn't take off another one. So when I took it to the tire shop, they told me that one was stripped. So I just told them, just take it off, whatever you have to do. So by the time I had the tires on, I only had two lug nuts left. So I took it to the mechanic, and well, first I bought the lug nut, the studs, and then I took it to the mechanic, and he put all four studs right here, all new studs. And then that's when I told him if he could take off the AC as well. So let's open the hood. At least I have all four lug nuts on that wheel now, since I was only rolling with two for a bit. So as you can see, no more AC. Took it all off, cleaned it up. And what I noticed yesterday when I opened it for a little bit is that he mounted up my HID ballast right here too. It's a cool little thing here to tell me about, but he mounted up my HID ballast because I just had them like wherever. Like they weren't held down by anything, so they could just be moving around everywhere. I left the lug nut right there. But yeah, I gotta clean up this engine bay soon. Probably gonna drive it tomorrow to work. First day driving it like kind of decent, a decent distance, since I only drive it around, like, you know, just around the block, just so it won't die, just so it won't just be sitting, you know. But yeah, took off the AC, fixed my lug nut problem, put tires, fixed this little issue right here. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and then I'll continue the video because I also have gotten a couple more stuff for the car. So let me just put everything away. Alright, so I put everything away. I parked the car outside, put the TSX inside since I want to take it to work tomorrow. And these are all the boxes that I have right here. This is like most of the turbo kit stuff from one of my older videos of the turbo kit unboxing, and just all the piping and the intercooler are in there. But so alright, we have the turbo, we have the blowout valve, we have another blowout valve because I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use, and then we have the wastegate. And now last week I bought the high flow in tank AEM fuel pump which I could also use for E85, so I might be doing that. I'm not sure what else I need, so comment below what else do I need. One of the things I'm gonna be buying soon is fuel injectors. I'm leaning towards grams, but this is the fuel pump right here. So that's that. Comes with like a little harness and the filter. So I bought this recently. So, and then my friend Daniel with the white Integra, he bought brakes, all four, and brake pads, since he really needs them. And he got these, but they were the wrong style that he wanted. And so I just ended up buying off of them. Since I'm gonna need brakes too, I can be rolling AutoZone brake pads and no-name rotors with turbo kit. So these are just slotted, they're not drilled and slotted. Slotted rotors right here. Got the brake pads right here. This is a Sequence. I think that's the brand, Sequence. Right there, you can kind of see it. Right there, Sequence. So that's what I've gotten so far. I got the fuel pump. I got some brakes. I still have all this right here. I still need injectors. I need like all the gauges, like the turbo gauge, the air to fuel, stuff like that. And after that, I think I'm ready to put everything on. So that will probably be happening within the next month. So just stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe if you want to keep up to see how the Integra is going to turn out. So yeah, another little update. I've been doing stuff finally to the car instead of it just sitting there. Yeah, I'm building up my little parts tower. Alright, well that's it. Later.